Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert current date and time in an Excel cell. To start, open Excel. If you want to put the current date in the desired cell, enter the function equal today, open and close parentheses. When you press enter, you can see the current date. Now, to see the current date and time in some cell, enter the function equal now, open and close parentheses. You can see the current date and time in the cell. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.